Amazing animals facts. Koalas have fingerprints like humans. Even under a microscope, they look nearly identical. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Their wings rotate in a unique way. A shrimp's heart is in its head. Their heart is located near their brain. Giraffes have no vocal cords. They communicate using low-frequency sounds humans can't hear. A starfish can regrow its entire body. Even if cut in half, some species can regenerate. Penguins propose with pebbles. Male penguins give their mate a special rock as a love gift. Tarantulas can survive without food for 2 years. They have an ultra-slow metabolism. Crocodiles cry while eating. Their tear glands activate while chewing, but they're not actually sad. Rats can laugh. They make high-pitched giggles when playing or tickled. Elephants can hear with their feet. They detect distant vibrations through the ground. Elephants can hear with their feet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.